I'm Sharon Holloway.
And Kathy Dunn.
The sunroom that we're in now was a new addition 5 years ago. It was built over our deck, and we noticed part of the floor was sinking and sagging. So we called DryZone, and Trevor came out. He crawled under and assessed the situation and told us what we needed to do, and it was a perfect fix.
Through looking online, we found a few companies, including DryZone Basement, and then we did our homework. We read about you and other groups and all.
Yeah, initially it seemed like it was, DryZone Basement did basement sump pumps, that whole sort of issue, and that issue we have a sump pump.
Mm-hmm.
But then we saw that there was this new division that was doing foundation work and this sort of thing. And as soon as they sent the brochure with the pictures, it's like, that's what we need. Little smart jacks, and that someone could crawl under here. The guys were amazing.
Unbelievable. And in terms of that job, the crawl space job, it was a slam dunk. Hands down, we were going to go with DryZone Basement. And then, honestly, wouldn't you say, Sharon, Trevor was the major sell point for us. This man has such integrity, and he is so consistent, and he's such an incredible communicator. We text him or email him, and within 10 to 15 minutes, he's calling us to just check in and see what's needed or what have you.
The guys who were under the crawl space were amazing. They worked nonstop. They ate their sandwiches in about 10 minutes and went back to work. The work ethic was amazing.
Yeah, the work ethic was amazing, and as Sharon said, it was really hot and humid. And we were just bringing them iced drinks, and it was like trying to get them to just time out, just stop for a second, just drink something cold. So yeah, the work ethic from everyone has been top notch.
Yes, 100% would refer you.
First thing I would say, and I know Sharon, we've discussed this too, clearly you want someone who has a high level of competence, experience, background knowledge, etc. And DryZone Basement has that. When you learn that you have this kind of a problem, your house is sinking or it's cracking, it's a shock. It's a shock, and it just takes your breath away. And again, going back to Trevor, he showed that his knowledge base was clear, but his understanding and empathy really helped in terms of getting over that initial shock.
DryZone Basement will take care of it, and everything's going to be fine.